YouTube SEO techniques are strategies and practices aimed at optimizing videos and channels to improve their visibility and rankings in YouTube search results. Here are some common SEO techniques for YouTube. Keyword research. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant and high-traffic keywords that are related to your video content. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, TubeBuddy, or VidIQ can assist you in finding suitable keywords. Video title optimization. Create compelling and descriptive titles for your videos that include relevant keywords. Make sure the title accurately represents the content of the video and entices users to click on it. Video description. Write detailed and keyword-rich descriptions for your videos. Include relevant keywords naturally within the description while providing valuable information about the video's content. It's also beneficial to include links to your website or social media profiles. Tags. Utilize relevant tags that accurately describe your video's content. Include both specific and broad tags to improve the chances of your video appearing in various search results. Look for tags used by popular videos in your niche for inspiration. Thumbnails. Create attention-grabbing and visually appealing thumbnails that accurately represent the video's content. A well-designed thumbnail can increase click-through rates and attract more viewers. Closed captions and transcripts. Provide closed captions or subtitles for your videos. This helps improve accessibility and enables search engines to understand the video's content better. You can also upload a transcript of the video in the description to provide additional keyword-rich content. Engagement signals. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. Increased engagement signals to YouTube that your content is valuable and relevant, potentially leading to higher rankings in search results. Playlists. Organize your videos into relevant playlists to make it easier for viewers to find and watch related content. Playlists can help improve watch time and session duration, which are important ranking factors. Channel optimization. Optimize your YouTube channel by using relevant keywords in the channel name, description, and tags. Customize your channel layout, add a compelling channel trailer, and provide links to your website and social media profiles. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media platforms, embed them on your website or blog, and engage with your audience across different channels. Promoting your videos can increase views, engagement, and ultimately improve your video's ranking. Remember that YouTube SEO is an ongoing process, and it's essential to consistently create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Regularly analyze your video performance, experiment with different techniques, and adapt your strategies based on the results you achieve.